How's it, everybody? I'm the ICG, and today I want to show you how you can convert and restake your STRD distribution rewards on your mobile device. The first thing you're gonna need for that is to download the Keplr Wallet app. You can get it on both iOS and Android devices, and as soon as you have connected your wallet, you're gonna click on the little globe on the bottom, and from there we can access the different applications. And today we're gonna need the Osmosis stacks, so we're gonna click on Osmosis, and as soon as we are inside of Osmosis, we're gonna go on assets, and now we want to deposit all the different STRD tokens that we want to convert, all the different liquid staking derivatives, you can call them. And the easiest way to do this is to just type in ST, and then all the STRD assets will be listed, and you can just deposit them step by step. Personally, I always deposit all the tokens that are worth more than 10 cents, because if it's less than 10 cents, it's not really worth it, right? Even with 10 cents, you can debate. But today, for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna do it with stAtom. So I'm gonna deposit stAtom. Little side note, I always choose the lowest fee because it works just fine, so why should I throw away money, right? And as soon as we have deposited the stAtom, now we're gonna go on swap. From there we're just gonna swap the atom into STRD. Very straightforward. I'm also here choosing the cheapest fee option. And now after you have swapped everything, all your tokens, we're gonna go back to assets and we're gonna withdraw the STRD token. And as soon as we have withdrawn the STRD token, we need to go back to the home screen or the main page of the Keplr wallet, and there on the top we have a little option where we can go to staking, and we're gonna choose STRD, and then you can choose the validator that you prefer and just stake the tokens, and it's as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching.